Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today, we're unboxing and exploring one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the vivo X300 Pro, a device that redefines photography, performance, and innovation in one stunning design. Let's dive right in. The vivo X300 Pro comes with a premium glass metal body, curved edges, and an ultra-thin frame that feels luxurious in the hand. Up front, you'll find a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's bright, crisp, and smooth, perfect for gaming, streaming, or everyday scrolling. Powering this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. This phone handles everything, from multitasking to 4K video editing, effortlessly. And yes, it runs on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15, offering fluid animations and improved battery optimization. Now let's talk cameras, the true highlight of the X300 Pro. It features a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x hybrid zoom. The image processing is co-engineered with Zeiss, ensuring sharp, color-accurate and cinematic photos in all lighting conditions. The 32MP front camera delivers stunning selfies with natural tones and crisp details. The 5400 mAh battery supports 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes. Battery life easily lasts a full day of heavy use, making it ideal for creators and professionals on the move. The vivo X300 Pro is priced at approximately $1,099, or around €1,299. So, if you're looking for a flagship with world-class cameras, super-fast performance, and top-tier design, the vivo X300 Pro deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.